What up, YouTube? It's Ty with Ty's Over the Hill Adventures. Doing a quick garden update. I believe it's June 8th, 2021. So let's take a walk around and see how everything's doing. Let's start over here with the tomatoes. And boy, do they have a lot of tomatoes on them. These are type of cherry. So are these. But look how tall that thing is. Now that green pole's 96 inches. So if I step in here and I reach all, that's as high as I can reach. And I'm about 6 foot even. Uh-oh, I hear the rain coming. Take the bell peppers. Well, I'm gonna have to end this so I don't lose my phone and all my tools. Thank y'all for watching. I will do a better job next time.